history and technology meet in perfect harmony. Using advanced LiDAR scanning and photogrammetry, we've digitally preserved every detail of this centuries-old structure. From millions of precise point clouds, we created accurate 3D mesh models, capturing every stone, every wall, and every contour in stunning detail. This project proves that innovation isn't just about the future, it's also about safeguarding our past. At GeoGIS, we combine precision, heritage, and innovation in the digital world.